This one thing can bring in thousands of visits to your Etsy shop and it takes under 5 seconds. Here's a listing that has made me over $3,200 and I'm going to show you how to do this. This really impacts the SEO of your listings, which is so important. So here we are in our dashboard. I'm going to click on a listing. First thing I'm going to do is copy the title. Then I'm going to go to the images, click on them, then scroll and hit Alt Text. It's automatically going to be pre-filled with AI, but I personally want my own keywords. So I'm going to just paste the title there. So I'm going to hit apply. Then I'm going to go to another image and do the same thing, remove the AI one. Then I'm going to hit done and publish changes. You also want to make sure that your images, the actual name of your images, like the PNG file, is the same thing as your title as well. That also plays into the SEO of your Etsy shop. In the description, there's a link to this free ebook. It's going to explain why seasonal printables are the best on Etsy, give you all of the seasonal products that sell, and tools that are going to help you pick the best products. It is a very in-depth ebook, 23 pages, so many amazing ideas that's really going to help you step up your game with selling printables on Etsy. Even if you don't want to sell seasonal products, it's still really, really helpful in helping you to figure out how to market your products, how to find keywords, how to find tags, how to rank in search. It is so helpful and a really, really great ebook. So it'll be linked down below in the description, completely free. If you want to see some other unique ways that you can increase your sales in creating a abandoned cart discount code and an email that's automatically sent out if someone adds something to their cart but doesn't purchase, it's so easy to set it up. Watch this video here.